Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to turn on sleep mode in Waze in 2026. If you finish driving and want Waze to become inactive, this feature can help you stop the app from continuing to run. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map screen, tap the menu icon. Look for the sleep mode option in the menu. Tap sleep mode and Waze will become inactive. This allows you to stop using Waze without completely removing the app from your phone. When you're ready to use Waze again, simply open the app and wake it up. Your navigation features will become available again. Keep in mind that the exact option can vary depending on your device and Waze version. On some Android devices, the option may be labeled shut off instead of sleep mode. And that's how to turn on sleep mode in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.